Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, September 16th, 2023. It is 3:51 and 27 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, wired human brains. So let's hop to it here. Evolution wired human brains to act like supercomputers. Now, scientists have a mathematical model that closely matches how the human brain processes visual information. Date September 14th, 2023. Source: University of Sydney. As scientists have confirmed that human brains are naturally wired to perform advanced calculations, much like a high-powered computer, to make sense of the world through a process known as Bayesian inference. As Bayesian inference is a statistical method that combines prior knowledge with new evidence to make intelligent guesswork. For example, if you know what a dog looks like and you see a furry animal with 4 legs, you might use your prior knowledge to guess it is a dog. This inherent capability enables people to interpret the environment with extraordinary precision and speed, unlike machines that can be bested by simple capture security measures when prompted to identify fire hydrants in a panel of images. Despite the conceptual appeal and explanatory power of the Bayesian approach, how the brain calculates probabilities is largely mysterious. The new study sheds light on this mystery. They've discovered that the basic structure and connections within how our brain's visual system are set up in a way that allows it to perform Bayesian inference on the sensory data it receives. What makes this finding significant is a confirmation that our brains have an inherent design that allows this advanced form of processing, enabling us to interpret our surroundings more effectively. The study's findings not only confirm existing theories about the brain's use of Bayesian-like inference, but opens doors to new research and innovation where the brain's natural ability for Bayesian inference can be harnessed for practical applications that benefit society. And by understanding the fundamental mechanisms that the brain uses to process and interpret sensory data, they can pave the way for advancements in fields ranging from artificial intelligence, where mimicking the brain functions can revolutionize machine learning, to clinical neurology, potentially offering new strategies for therapeutic interventions in the future. The scientific investigators and researchers made the discovery by recording brain activity from volunteers while they passively viewed displays engineered to elicit specific neural signals related to visual processing. They then devised mathematical models to compare a spectrum of competing hypotheses about how the human brain perceives vision. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.